why the law of attraction doesn't work for you. If you've been working with the law of attraction, maybe you've watched some videos and you've been working with it and you've come to the conclusion that it doesn't work. Yeah, well, what if I was to tell you that the law of attraction is always working at all times and it is delivering you exactly what it is that you wanted? Careful what you want, because a lot of people are actually getting what they want. And the way the universe determines what you want is different than what you actually think it is. Because a lot of people are out there talking about what it is that they don't want. And a lot of people, when they first come to me, they can tell me all the kind of things that they don't want in their life. But it's a little bit of a struggle to pull out of them what it is that they do want. It's because most people are so focused on what they don't want. And when you focus on what you don't want, you get more of that. Now, the big trick is to look at the feedback that you're getting. Look at the results that you're getting in your life. And if you become at cause in your life, the empowered place to be in life is to be at cause, right? So that you caused the result that that you got in your life. What you see is a result of what you did. And if you don't like what you got, then all you have to do is change what you did, and then you'll start getting different results. And so if you're empowered and living at cause in life, then you will change what you're doing. You'll notice that the law of attraction is always working, and you're getting according to the way that you've been thinking and the way you've been asking for things from the universe. And you're getting exactly that. So the next thing you have to do is, once you start focusing on what it is that you want, then you have to start focusing on the feeling that you would have if you had what it is that you want. So if you start feeling like you have what you want, then you will start attracting that what you want into your life. So the law of attraction works whether or not you believe it does or not. It's always working. It's always there. It's always on. And it's either your understanding of it that's not working, or your use of it that's just simply not working. So in order to get better results, you need to learn about the law of attraction, and you need to start focusing on what it is that you do want, and then reaching for the feeling as if you already had what you want. And that's how you get more results. That's how you get better results in your life. And that's how you get the law of attraction working for you, is understanding how it works. Anyways, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave some comments, give me a thumbs up. And what else can you do? You can go to my website and you can book yourself a free strategy session to find out if hypnosis can help you get the life that you want. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, have a good one.